Hello friends, we are solving balance array from the code forces. So it's a division 3 question and it's easy one. So in this you are given a positive integer n. It is guaranteed that n is even. So you are given n number of elements. You will have the t number of test cases. Then each test case will have one number which will be always even. So we have to construct an array in such a way that first n by 2 elements of A are even and the second n by 2 elements of A are odd. Okay, and all elements of A are distinct and positive, and the sum of first half equals to the sum of second half. So if you just think of it, then you will be like, we will first arrange all the even numbers in the left side from the 2. We can do that like this. If look over here, it's for 4. For 2 it's not possible, like we can arrange 1 and 3, but the sum will be different of odd and even numbers, so it will be no. So in this case we will print just no. If it is possible, like 4, in 4 you can put 2 4 and 1 5. Okay, so basically 6 equal to 6, odd sum of odd numbers equal to sum of even numbers equal to sum of odd numbers, and even all the numbers are distinct as well. Okay, so how we can achieve it? So basically what we can do is, suppose our number is 4. So what we can do, we'll start with the 2, first construct the even numbers from 2 to 4, then we'll start with the odd number from the 1, and if in the last one what we will do, we'll sum 6 minus 1 means it is 5. If 5% 2 not equal to 0, it means that it is odd, and if we place it, we can make it, else it is not possible if it is not divisible by 2. So you might have got my algorithm for solving this. So it will be like 6 minus 1, it will be 5 1 5. So this will be yes. If it is not possible, then what will happen, 6 minus, suppose so 6 minus 2, if the number so over here, if we have a number which we add up, so we'll take example of no one. In the 6th, suppose we will construct of 6, so 2 4 6 1 3. Now 2 4 6, how it is 12 minus sum of these two, 4, it's 8 and it's even, so it's not possible. So let's start. We'll create an function called as print array, which will take integer n. Okay, now we'll construct the first half of, first we'll create an array. Okay, so what we will do, for int I equal to 0 to I less than n slash 2, means n divided by 2, first we will put array even numbers starting from 2. Okay, so it will be array of I equal to array of I minus 1 plus 2. It's possible, yes, but for if I equals 0, then we'll put array of I equal to 2. Okay, else, so If we do like this, then our first half part is completed. Now we'll go with the like this. Suppose 2 4 1. So 2 4 1 5. Suppose n is 4. So we constructed 2 4. So now we'll go up to this number. So for int I equal to n by 2, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, so now I is equal to 2. So basically now it is this one. Okay, so what we will do is we'll start with the 1 and we'll increment by 2 only. Okay, so what we also can do is like we'll take this array of 0 minus 1, so that will be better. So I am taking another counter int l equals to 0. So array of li equal to array of I minus 1, sorry, array of l plus plus minus 1. Okay. So it will be like the older 2, it will, with the odd numbers it will take 1 minus. Okay, so what are the all the even numbers initially? 2 4, so it will start like filling over here. 2 minus 1 1, and 4 minus 1 3, like that, but it will go up to minus n minus 1. So now 2 4 1 is filled. Now the last position we need to fill. So the last position, what we will do, we'll have the two sums. Okay, int sum right left equal to 0, int sum right equal to 0. So basically it will contains even number sum and it will contain the odd number sum except the last one. Okay, so what we can do is sum left plus equal array of I. So similarly sum right plus equals array of I. Okay, so now we have 2 plus 4 6, 6 minus 1 means we will get 5. So we can do if array of I minus 1, sorry, if sum of right minus sum of, sorry, sum of left minus sum of right percent 2 not equals 0, it means that we can place that number. Okay, as the last element and we can print yes. Okay, so now array of n minus 1 will be equal to sum left minus sum right. Okay, so we'll print system dot out dot println yes, and then we'll print out the array. So now we printed out array, and if it is not possible, then else it will be else, will print no. I already submitted this solution and it got accepted as well. Okay, so thank you for listening. Have a nice day.